Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right, eating well, working out, but still dragging yourself through the afternoon? Most of us treat sleep like it's a luxury, right? Something we squeeze in, a passive downtime. But what if I told you that quality sleep is actually the ultimate performance enhancer for your brain? We're talking about real, measurable gains in your focus, energy, and memory. It's not about luck, it's about science. Today, we're not just resting, we're actively hacking your body's most powerful system, your circadian rhythm. With a simple 3-step neuroscience protocol, you can start changing your life. To truly value sleep, we have to stop seeing it as just downtime. Sleep is an active maintenance process for your brain. As neuroscientist Dr. Matthew Walker emphasizes, sleep is the single most profound thing you can do for your brain health. While you're out, your brain is hard at work. It has 3 core functions. Memory consolidation. In deep non-REM sleep, your brain acts like a librarian, taking all the day's learning and moving it from short-term holding to long-term storage skip sleep, and that learning is often lost. The glymphatic system. This is literally your brain's plumbing. During deep sleep, your brain swells slightly, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flush out metabolic waste, including toxic proteins like amyloid beta, which are strongly linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Think of it as your brain's essential cleanup crew. Emotional regulation. REM sleep helps you process tough emotional memories. A lack of REM leaves your amygdala, your brain's alarm bell, hypersensitive. Result, you're moody, anxious, and less resilient to stress the next day. Your sleep isn't random. It's governed by your circadian rhythm, a 24-hour master clock controlled by a tiny cluster of neurons called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. Hacking your sleep means giving this SCN the consistent, reliable signals it craves. Here are 3 powerful steps you can implement today to master this internal clock. Step 1. The light signal. The moment you wake up, get 10 minutes of outdoor sunlight, ideally within 30 minutes. This immediately shuts off melatonin production and powerfully resets your SCN for the day. Step 2. The thermal signal. About 90 minutes before bedtime, take a warm bath or shower. Then, ensure your bedroom is cool, ideally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. The warm water temporarily raises your core temperature, so when you step out, your body cools rapidly, signaling your brain it's time to sleep. Step 3. The digital sunset. 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime, implement a strict digital sunset. No phones, tablets, or laptops. Blue light from screens is the single biggest disruptor of your melatonin production, delaying sleep onset and degrading quality. If you only do one thing, start with the digital sunset. It's the easiest quick win for better sleep. One crucial warning, avoid caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime. Caffeine has a 5 to 7 hour half-life. That means half of it is still actively blocking your brain's sleep signal, adenosine, even when you think you're asleep.
How do you know if your protocol is working? Don't just guess. Focus on sleep efficiency and sleep latency.
Sleep efficiency is the percentage of time you're actually asleep while in bed. Aim for 85% or higher, as recommended by the American Academy of Sleep Medicine. Our blog has a handy calculator for this. Sleep latency is how long it takes you to fall asleep. A healthy latency is 10 to 20 minutes. If it's less than 5, you're likely sleep deprived. More than 30, your pre-sleep routine needs work. Most people only focus on when they go to bed, but the real secret to hacking your circadian rhythm is your wake-up time. Waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, is the most powerful signal you can send to your SCN. This sets your body's alarm clock for when to expect light, meals, and ultimately sleep. This means no sleep debt catch-up on Saturdays. Irregular sleep timing causes social jet lag, where your internal clock doesn't match your schedule. Your brain thrives on routine. We've covered the why and the how. Sleep isn't just time off, it's proactive maintenance. Your nightly investment in your memory, mood, and long-term brain health. The 3 steps, managing light, controlling temperature, and implementing a digital sunset, are your protocol. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick just one protocol to commit to this week. Perhaps start with a digital sunset tonight. By treating sleep with the scientific respect it deserves, you'll unlock a level of performance and well-being you didn't know you were missing. What single step are you going to implement tonight to hack your sleep? Let me know in the comments below. And for the full detailed guide, including our sleep efficiency calculator, visit our website via the link in the description.